Notion has dropped a bunch of powerful updates in 2025, and if you haven't explored these yet, now's the time. First up, Notion 3.0 agents. This is a big deal. These AI agents can actually perform multi-step tasks across your pages and databases. Think planning a project, creating a launch plan, assigning tasks, and drafting docs, all done by your agent pulling context from your workspace and connected tools like Slack, Google Drive, or GitHub. What's even cooler, the agent has a memory system. You can set up an instructions page so it learns your style, knows where to file things, and remembers preferences over time. Another big update is offline mode, now officially available on desktop and mobile. You can download pages to work on without the internet, create new ones even when offline, and then sync later. If you're on a paid plan, your favorites and recent pages are auto-downloaded. Databases got a major refresh too. Almost everything became more database-centric, cleaner tables, simpler settings, and a smoother UI for adding or renaming properties. There's a new feed view for databases, ideal for status updates, research logs, or any kind of scrollable content. Plus, you can now chat with your database using Notion AI in research mode. Ask complex questions about your data, and it gives insights by pulling together info from different properties. Notion also introduced AI meeting notes, a special block that captures and summarizes your meeting conversations. If you use Notion Calendar, these AI-generated notes can be automatically added to every meeting. There's also a powerful enterprise search feature that lets you search not just within Notion, but across other connected tools, and yes, PDFs are included too. Research mode lets Notion AI analyze your workspace and connected tools to draft detailed, polished documents automatically. Notion Mail is now more mature too. Their email client lets you manage emails directly in Notion, draft messages using AI, and even organize inbox views based on workflows. On the collaboration side, database row permissions are now a thing. With agents in 3.0, you can control who sees what, set row-level access so people only see the pages or entries relevant to them. Taken together, these updates show that Notion is doubling down on AI, automation, and usability. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, these features can significantly reduce manual work and make your workspace smarter. If you haven't tried them yet, play around with offline mode, set up an agent, and experiment with the new database features. They can change how you work in Notion. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion news, tips, and workflows. Drop a comment below. Which new feature are you most excited about?